morning, Astoril Company.
Hi, good morning. How are you going today?
Good, thanks. How can I help?
Perfect. Sorry to bother you. My name is June from AUBC Consulting. I came across your project, PCS, listed in Cordell Connect, and I was hoping to speak with the person handling the project of tender costing.
I'm just the receptionist. I'm not the one handling this project.
Absolutely. No worries at all. All I thought I'd check first because you might be able to point me in the right direction. We're quantity surveying and cost consulting firm, and we're also builders as well. We help with BDOQs, tender support, the project costing with a guaranteed 10 to 14 day turnaround.
Okay.
I was just hoping to introduce our services to whoever handling the project CCS. Who would you usually be the best person to speak regarding the tender support of project costing?
That would be me.
Okay. Perfect. Would they happen to be available at the moment?
No, they're unavailable right now.
No worries at all. Would it be alright if I sent them a short introduction email first? Sure. Answer sure.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. Perfect, thank you. What would be the best email for them? Give me the email. Okay. Perfect. Just verifying that will be yourella.com from Astoril Company.
Yes.
Okay. Great, thank you. I'll send a quick introduction regarding our request support Builder Direct, costing 10 to 14 days turnaround services. And I might give a quick follow-up call later this week if that's alright.
Okay.
Perfect. I appreciate your help, Miss Ella. Have a great day.
Yes, let me transfer you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.